Hello, my favorite people. How are you all doing today? Let's check in. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020, and I baked some bread. So one of my favorite things to do, especially when it's kind of gloomy, right, is bake. I like to bake. I like to bake cakes and cookies and bread. Not good at baking pies, so I stay away from the pies unless it's like a pudding pie or something. That I can do. Can't seem to bake the pies. Not good at the pies, but I am pretty good at the bread. So today I made just a simple sandwich bread. Right, look at that. I wish I could. I wish I could have you smell it. It smells so good. So I'll slice this up, and we'll have Mr. Parr and I'll have sandwiches and whatnot during the week. What do you like to do on gloomy days? Did anybody have a hard time getting out of bed this morning? Me. I have a hard time. I had a hard time getting out of bed when it is kind of gloomy. It's very overcast. It's been drizzling just about all day. And those days I just want to stay in bed and watch TV or stay in bed and read a book, come out to the couch and just curl up with a good blanket. That's what I would like to do. But I also like to bake on days like this. What do you like to do on days like this? Do you make something like I made this bread, or do you play games? Do you read books? Do you take a nap? What do you like to do on overcast days and kind of gloomy days? Tell me, let me know. And until I see you again, don't forget to be awesome.